StoryBeanGiant.
The Cat with No Hands by G. Chatfield. Leon is a cat that lives with a family that have 3 children. He loves to play with the children, and they love to play with him. The kids would play catch with Leon and have tea parties with Leon. They threw a birthday party for Leon. He ate pizza for cats and tuna rolled up like little hot dogs. Leon also wore shirts and a pair of sunglasses that made him look funny. Leon had all the things a cat could ever want, but he still wanted one thing. While playing one day, Leon's bird friend saw he was not happy. "Why are you sad, my friend?" the bird asked. "I have all the toys I want, but I still cannot do everything my family does," Leon said. "What are the things you are talking about?" "I want to hold the cup like my family. I want to throw and catch the ball when we play. I just want to be like my family." The bird looked at Leon and asked, "Have you ever seen a cat like you?" Leon thought for a minute and shook his head no. Leon had never heard anyone call him a cat. "What?" Leon did not want to tell the bird that he did not know who he was. No one in his family called him a cat. They always yelled, "Leon!" The bird saw Leon grow sad. He knew he had to cheer his friend up. "Come see me tonight. I want you to meet someone," the bird said, and then he flew away. That night, when Leon's family fell asleep, he climbed up the window and was excited by what he saw. "This is my friend Rose. She is a cat." Leon's eyes were wide with wonder that she looked like him and that he was a cat. "I'll show you how to be a cat," she said. Rose did not have hands, but Leon liked her. He followed Rose over the fence and into the yard. Rose showed Leon how to pounce on a ball and climb a tree. She even knew how to drink out of a cup, and she didn't have hands. "Rose, where are our hands?" Leon asked. Rose laughed. "Leon, you're a cat, and cats don't have hands. You have paws." "Paws? No one in my family has paws, so I thought I did not have hands." "That's because you do not know who you are, because you have never seen another cat. You are wonderful and unique. Sometimes when we see others do amazing things, we don't see how special we are," Rose said with a smile. Leon said goodbye to Rose and climbed his way back up to his home. The sun was just about to peek over the buildings, and Leon was tired from being a cat. Snuggled on his bed, Leon dreamed of how special he is to be a cat with no hands. The beginning. When you know who you are, you will find a whole new world to explore. What is the cat's name in this story? How many people are in his family? How many kids are in his family? Why was Leon sad? Why did Leon think he needed hands?
Thank you for listening to Story Bean Giant.